Have you ever felt that despite your efforts, trading success is still hard to achieve? We have a straightforward strategy that might just be what you need to turn the tide. Today, we're looking at the gold chart on a 5-minute time frame. But don't worry, the strategy works on other charts and time frames too. It's a flexible tool that can adapt to many trading situations. First, let's add some helpful tools to our TradingView screen. We'll start with the pivot trend line with breaks indicator. This tool draws trend lines and tells us when price breaks these trend lines. Once you added the indicator, you'll see some gear icon next to the indicator name. Click it to find the settings and make some changes to get the best out of this tool. Follow along as I show you how to do it. The pivot trend line with breaks indicator is a useful tool that helps us spot key points on the chart called pivot points. It draws trend lines based on these pivot points, making it easier for us to see patterns and trends. What's really cool about this indicator is that it shows us when price breaks through the trend lines. When the price goes down through a trend line, we call it a bearish breakout, and it might be a good time to consider selling. On the other hand, when the price goes up through a trend line, we call it a bullish breakout, which could be a good opportunity to buy. And to discover how this tool can improve your trading skills, let's examine the Bitcoin chart on a 1-hour time frame for some real examples. Take a note of these trades. They generated a substantial 202% profit with just a few trades. This indicator has the potential to greatly increase your trading success. Don't worry if the indicator gives you signals that go against the trend sometimes. We've got a simple solution for a well-rounded approach to trading. Remember, it's essential to combine the pivot trend line with breaks with other tools. But before we talk about the next tool, we need your help. If you like what you've seen so far, please show some love to TradeGenius. We share simple strategies every day to help you succeed in online trading. To stay up to date, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Your support means a lot and help us keep making great content for traders like you. Now let's add the second layer to our strategy with the MA ribbon colored bars indicator. You can find it and add it from the indicator section on TradingView platform. Once added, we'll optimize its performance by adjusting its settings. This cool indicator helps us spot market trends with a colorful ribbon. If the prices stay above the green ribbon, the trend is your friend and going up. And if dive below, the trend is heading down. It's that simple. Now you can easily spot trends and trade with confidence. Let's break down the rules for entering and exiting trades so you know exactly what to do. We'll start with selling. First, keep an eye out for a downward breakout from a trend line. This could mean the price is heading down. Next, check the MA ribbon color bars indicator to confirm that the trend is really moving downward. If the price is below the ribbon, you're good to go. And once both these conditions are met, it's time to make some move and enter a sell trade. But wait, don't forget to set a stop loss for the trade. Just in case, place it right above the recent price swing high or above the ribbon border. And to lock in profits, aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. That means your potential profits should be 1.5 times greater than your risk. Great, now let's talk about buy trades. When it comes to buying, here's what you should do. Look for an upward breakout from a trend line on your chart. This could indicate the prices are about to rise. Next, double check that the trend is really moving upward by glancing at the MA ribbon color bars indicator. If the price is above the ribbon, you're all set. So, once you've confirmed both conditions, it's time to enter a buy trade. But remember, always protect your trade by setting a stop loss. Place it just below the recent swing low or one of the ribbon borders. Lastly, to secure those profits, go for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. The MA ribbon color bars indicator is a game changer for avoiding counter-trend trades. In our examples, you can see how it helps you stick to trades that follow the market trend. Alright traders, that wraps up our session for today. You're now armed with a solid strategy to boost your trading game. If you're hungry for more, we've got you covered. Check out the recommended video pumping up on your screen for an even simpler trading strategy that can help you rack in profits. Until next time, trade smart and have fun.